Welcome to Geeks Keep You Running. This is Season 3, Episode 15. Don't junk it, tune it. As always, Geeks Keep You Running is brought to you by Piedmont Technical Experts, the experts that will keep you running. Geeks Keep You Running is hosted by Jonathan Beck. Hey there, Tech Warriors. Welcome back to another episode of Geeks Keep You Running, the show that helps small businesses and everyday users keep their tech running smarter, longer, and more secure. I'm your host, Jonathan Beck, and as always, this episode is powered by your local IT heroes at Piedmont Technical Experts. Today's topic, we're going to be addressing tuning up a PC that still has some life in it, or as I like to call it, don't junk it, tune it. Let's face it, everyone's got that one PC in their office that they can take a coffee break each time they go to open Google Chrome. But before you banish it to the recycle bin, we've got some ways to give it a second wind. Alright, let's start with the basics. Uninstall unused software that you don't use anymore. Run disk cleanup and storage sense programs. Clear your startup apps so they stop dragging down your boot time. Think of it like spring cleaning for your hard drive. So next, let's talk about some easy stuff that you can do to upgrade your PC. Some parts are cheap, fast, and they make a huge difference. Swapping your hard drive for an SSD, although that also will mean either cloning your hard drive or reloading the computer from scratch. You can, however, add more RAM and do that without reinstalling anything. If your computer meets the system requirements, the other thing you can do is update to Windows 11. Otherwise, you should stick with what's stable on your machine. For anywhere from $100 to $150 in upgrades, you might get anywhere from 1 to 3 more years out of that machine, depending on what those upgrades are. Alright, there are definitely some don'ts when it comes to tuning up a PC. First off, let's not install sketchy PC booster apps. A lot of times, these booster apps are chock full of adware, spyware, and potentially even malware. Don't use outdated antivirus. Using an outdated antivirus is not going to protect your computer, and it's probably going to slow it down. Lastly, if the machine is a mission-critical computer or server and it's 10 years old, don't keep it. Be smart about what you're salvaging. If it's a backup machine, great. If it's your accounting server from 2014, it's probably time to rethink replacing that machine. So you don't know the difference between a GPU and a CPU, or you're not sure what to upgrade, or you want to see if your old PC could even handle another tour of duty, call in the geeks. We love this stuff. At Piedmont Technical Experts, we can evaluate the machine, recommend parts, do the upgrades, and even re-image the system if needed. So remember, not every slow PC is ready for retirement. Sometimes it just needs a little TLC, a new hard drive, maybe some RAM, and for someone to stop downloading toolbars from 2006. Again, this is Jonathan Beck with Piedmont Technical Experts and Geeks Keep You Running. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. And if you're in the triad and your computer's moving slower than molasses in January, give us a shout. We'll help you figure out if it's tune-up time or time for a new ride. This is Jonathan Beck with Piedmont Technical Experts, and we keep you running. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on today's episode.